Dito naman si Ada, malaking transparent balloon na may charcoal spikes. Gumagalaw siya at nagiiwan ng abstract art sa walls. Ikaw mismo ang artist. Pag galing ka dito, madudumihan yung mga kamay mo. But don't worry kasi paglabas, may malaki silang tissue to clean your hands. This is the canopy, isang interactive balloon art na gumagana habang nagpe-pedal ka. Habang umiikot yung bike, unti-unting bumubukas yung canopy na parang umbrella na clouds at colorful pa. Ang saya kasi parang may free exercise ka na, may art experience pa. Perfect mix of fun and creativity. Sarap ulit-ulitin.
Will I burn or will I ignite?
Ito ang Silenus, gawa ng Canadian artist na si Max Straker. Para siyang giant inflatables figure na parang humihinga at buhay. Pinapakita niya ang fragility at pagiging temporary ng life. Now we are at the glowing ballet. Floating inflatables glowing in soft lights, moving gracefully like a ballet. Perfect for cinematic slow motion shots. Agosto, inspired by the Night of San Lorenzo. Ito yung senti moment sa exhibit. Imagine ka nakaharap sa swings na sumasayaw sa ilalim ng glowing orb lights. Peaceful, poetic, and full of wonder.